Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about the possibility of the A50 coming to the US and of course to all major carriers, and we'll talk about that in just a little bit. But yes, guys, the A50, if you guys know, the A series is a very popular mid-range, I would say, brand for Samsung, and it has, basically for the money you're getting a really good specs on it. So let's dig more into it. But these news are brought to you by Android Headlines, so check them out for more. Here's a picture of the phone. This is going to be the A51, so this is going to be a nice Samsung phone to add up to the A series lineup that they already have, going on, which is pretty nice. So you can see here they does have a hole punch front-facing selfie camera, which is pretty cool. Reminds me of the Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, which is very nice. I actually have that phone and it's very good. So, but yeah, let's check it out. You can see here is the earpiece and then the punch-in. So I would say it's a pretty good phone. It's very big size, at least from the looks of it. I'm guessing it's probably going to be 6.4 to 6.5, inches, but we'll probably get more into that as the video goes. But let's go ahead and talk about our supporter, guys. So this video wouldn't be possible without Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more. It's totally free, guys, for you to download. It will be in the description below. Use that link when you install it and you make your first purchase. I do get a small commission, which does help the channel out tremendously. So check them out. So let's read up and see. So it says the Samsung Galaxy A51 may hit retail shelves in the US soon. So this is already out. You can actually purchase this phone unlocked already through like eBay. Through like eBay or other, shopping sites online. But the device has been recently certified by the Wi-Fi Alliance with a model number SM-A51U. The U at the end denotes carrier locked US version. So the U is basically US versions, what we'll say. Firmware leaks suggest that all major carriers, which are four, of course, all four of them, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and Sprint, will offer these devices. So with that being said, most likely, I'm almost 100% sure all the other prepaid carriers are going to get it, like Metro, Cricket, Boost Mobile, the major ones. Of course, they should be able to get it, maybe even visible wireless, since Verizon's in there as well, and since it is going to be unlocked, and you can pick that up. Says the Galaxy A51 is one of the first mid-range phones in Samsung's 2020 Galaxy A lineup that launched alongside the Galaxy A71 in December of last year. So I don't know, a lot of people didn't really talk about this phone, the A71, or at least I didn't see many videos on it. But it says the device has the tough task to succeed Samsung's highly successful A50. If you guys haven't seen, I've made a lot of videos. Well, I wouldn't say a lot, but good amount of videos on the A50, guys. I actually have played with this phone. It's a very good phone. I should probably pick it up. I was hoping Boost Mobile was going to pick it up, but I haven't seen them have it yet. I'll probably just get the unlocked variant and unlock it for you guys. If you want, I can do that for you. Let me know and I'll unlock it. I'll unbox it and review it. Jeez. Sorry for the phones going kind of crazy right now. Let me mute that. That way it doesn't bother us anymore. So it says, though the A50 was also released stateside, not all of the major carriers offered it, which is true. Like I said, not all of them did offer it. Samsung is likely to change that this year in order to cater to the broader audience. So even though the A50 was a very popular phone, guys, it didn't, it wasn't available to all carriers really. So now with the A51, Samsung saying, I'm going to change that and let everybody get it. That's why I'm pretty sure it's coming, like I said, to the big prepaid carriers like Cricket, Metro, Boost Mobile, and other ones as well. It says also Samsung has reportedly been working on the 5G variant of this phone, which is very nice, but of course we won't see it. I believe this will be in South Korea in the coming months, just because the US really is not 5G ready just yet, and of course these phones are going to cost a lot more. Let's talk about price. So we currently don't know the US price yet. So it says there's no word yet on Samsung about pricing, release date on the Galaxy A51 in the US. The price is basically set for $369 in Europe, that's euros, just 20 higher than the Galaxy A50's launch price. So that's not bad, So it's 350 for the A50, so I'm guessing it's 370, which should be the price for the A51, but maybe in the US they'll lower it to 350, who knows. Like I said, the A50 was priced at that price. It says if Samsung does indeed launch it for under 400, it'll make an excellent proposition from the company. The device offers some valuable upgrades over the Galaxy A50. So even though the A50 was a good phone, this phone, of course, being newer, is supposed to be better. It's, that's how these things kind of work, So this will be the first phone to have a macro camera. The 5 megapixel lens on the back makes it possible to capture clear close-up images of a subject. The macro camera is flanked by a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 5 megapixel depth sensor and a 48 megapixel primary lens. Wow. I honestly would probably pick this phone up just to test out that camera. 48 megapixels on a Samsung device, I think is pretty good. It says thanks to the smaller bezels, the A51 gets a 6.5 inch, full HD plus 2040 by 1080. So it will have a 1080p display, guys, and it will be 6.5 inches, which is, a little bit bigger than the A50, since the A50 was only 6.4. So not bad, not a big difference, but still it's a little bit bigger. It's going to be Super AMOLED display. So of course, Samsung is known for their displays, which everybody loves. And I personally like watching shows on it. That's why I use Samsung products. So let's see. So it's wow. Wow. Look at that. Check this out, guys. Down here saying the front-facing camera is going to be a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. The Galaxy A51 also runs Android 10 out of the box with One UI 2.0. Wow. So right out of the box, you're getting, Android 10, and then the front-facing camera is 32 megapixels, which honestly, for selfies, is going to be amazing for all you selfie lovers out there, which, I'm not the best or, the one that takes so many selfies, but I do like to take a selfie here and there, just, with the family or something like that. So it's pretty cool. Here's the specs, guys. This under the hood, it says will be an Exynos 9611 SoC, so which technically the same as the A50's Exynos 9610 with 4 or 6 gigs of RAM and 64 or 128 gigabyte of storage variants. It will have an optical on-screen fingerprint reader and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is nice. So I love to use my headphones still. I know a lot of people don't, especially if you're an iPhone user, but hey, you'll still get a headphone jack, and I still use that for some, for microphones or anything like that. We'll have a 4,000 milliamp battery, which is good. It's going to be coming with a 15 watt fast charging, guys, which, like I said, Apple really needs to start doing this for all their phones, because Android's been doing it for such a long time. But that's a video for some other day. So, but honestly, like I said, fast charging for all you people that use it, there's a difference between fast charging and slow charging. It's a big difference, So the Galaxy A51 has a 3D plastic body, so it's gonna be plastic. So it's like, it's one be glass, but it's made out of plastic. Really, what it is. This body does, I'm guessing from that, does scratch pretty easy, because I know the A series guys, oh my god, you just rub it on a table or something, any kind of surface, it will scratch. So make sure you get a skin or a case on it. It will have a crisscross pattern and a gradient effect. Here's the certification here for the Wi-Fi, which is pretty cool. You can see there is the product and model number, so SMA515U, like we were talking about. Android, there it is. That's how we know what Android version and the frequency. This will be able to do a 5 gigahertz band, also a 2.4 for Wi-Fi, which is pretty good. So if your house, if your house's Wi-Fi is 5 gigahertz, it will be able to withstand that. So let's look back at the phone. Let me see. Like I said, it's pretty nice. Honestly, what do you guys think? Do you want me to go ahead and get it and unbox it and do a review on this phone? Let me know. I think it's a nice phone. It's a nice phone. If it comes out pretty soon, we don't know when it will come out, but if it comes out pretty soon, I will be able to pick it up. Even if it's from a different carrier, it doesn't have to be Boost or anything like that. Even if it's on Cricket or something, or Total Wireless, whatever, I will pick this phone up. I actually want it because I do need another secondary phone. Well, this could be Yeah, something like that. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Should I pick this phone up? And what do you personally think? Would you be picking this phone up, especially with these specs? Like I said, mid-range device, not going to be high-end or anything like that, but still, you know, for the price, you can't beat it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is Dragonic Warfare signing off, with more videos coming your way for 2020 and better video production as well. I'm working on some other things and projects for you guys, so thank you.